how to make an event on Wix website. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to a Wix app market, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply search for event, and then simply click on Wix events and tickets, and then simply click on add to site. So this app is completely free. Now we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up, and then we're gonna be able to add. So as you can see, so I had some problems here, so let's see. And now we should have here, as you can see, the app. So we can simply click on manage event, and then here we can simply add our own events that we can promote on our website. So as you can see, you're gonna have to click on add event, and then simply enter all the information about your event, and then simply click on create, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.